Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to show you the new tab page experience in your OneLaunch Chromium browser. So a lot of you would know that OneLaunch, a desktop dock search application, also includes its own Chromium browser to really help you have a full browsing experience throughout our application. And within that browser, we're able to own and customize the new tab page experience for you. So the easiest way to open your browser, if it's just your browser and the home page that you want, instead of querying, because a query will always open up our search experience with our Yahoo partner, simply open up the browser from the top left. You can see when I hover over it, it says browser. Simply click that OneLaunch icon for the browser, and boom, our Chromium browser opens up. So you can see right away, we've got a new tab page experience that again, we own and we customize for you. It's got a doodle, it's got a search box for searching the web. With our Yahoo partner, I just went back. Over time, your history will populate in the form of shortcut tiles. And those are really handy to help you get to your top favorite sites, most visited sites quickly and efficiently with one click. And then below, we've got a new tab page experience that's got a lot of news articles for you to help stay up to date with a lot of hot topics based on your location. We partnered with MSN. I'll just click through one for an example. How will this rate height affect you? And you can see this is powered by our partner MSN News. So lots of articles. And you'll see as well, we've also populated a bunch of weather information for you for a very quick glance at the weather for the day, again, based on your location. And if you want more information, you can click through and go to our partner AccuWeather to find out more. And then finally, I will mention that we do have some ads present on this page. So for example, this very clearly labeled as an ad from one of our partners for Forge of Empires, a game, a computer game. So there are some ads in the mix as well. So all in all, this is our new tab page experience. We hope it provides value for you and that you enjoy it and you find news content that you find interesting. You stay up to date with the weather. You have a great spot to query from. You enjoy the doodle that changes often for you. I think it changes every day. And you also have all the shortcut history here below the search box. So yeah, we really hope you enjoy our new tab page experience. And if you have any feedback, you can always reach out at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks for watching.